This is Martha Campbell. Alright, so this tune is Martha Campbell, and I love this tune so much, and it's a tune that I rarely get to play. I first played it with my pal Aaron Jonah Lewis. He was playing fiddle, and I was doing this weird Wednesday night banjo thing at a restaurant, and I don't know why, I was just doing solo banjo. And so anyway, Aaron came in and we decided to do this tune, and that's when I first heard it. It's a Kentucky tune. And then I've played it at a few jams here and there, rarely in New York. That's where I am. We just don't play this tune. I don't know why. So then one of my students came in recently, hi Laura, and she wanted to play this tune, and I was like, it's been a minute. So, and then I fell in love with it all over again. The square dance tune, lots of fun. So we're in double C tuning. And we're going to be starting out in second position C, and I kind of consider this like an intermediate tune, if not intermediate advanced, partly because of the speed, but also there's a lot of finger work going on here. But so yeah, we're starting in second position C, which is your 5-4-5 position. Third string 3, second string 2, first string 3. So we're hammering on, and I like to start up here on the upper octave rather than down there. So you're hammering on second string 4th fret, and then I brush that second position C chord. Just partial. You can just do the top 2 strings. Hammering on second string 4th fret, and then you're, with your pinky, or however you want to do it, ring to index, pinky to ring, you're going to go 7, 5 on the first string. So hammering on, brush, thumb, 7, 5. Nice. The second time, you're going to go up to the 7 and just hang there and brush. So 7, 5, same thing. Hanging on that 7, and then you're going to repeat the 7, 5. Yep. So that's the first little phrase, and then it's going to end on a G chord. But now we're going to get from that 4th fret to that G chord on the 2nd fret, 2, 0, 2, 0, by walking down this little chromatic line on the 2nd string. So you're going to go 4, 3, 2. Now I use my ring finger. I go ring, middle, slide middle down to 2nd fret. Yeah, let's just try that. So here's the first phrase. We're going to go hammering on 2nd string 4th fret, 7, 5, hammer on, 7, hang, 7, 5, walk it down, chromatic G chord, one more time. Now, if that feels really like too notey, your hand's not having that dexterity, then you can also do that little walk down on the 1st string 2nd fret. 2nd fret, 1st fret, open. Same exact notes, just a different position. So that might feel a little easier. Still got to strum the G chord. Okay, so then we're going to repeat that. So that's the whole first phrase. Going into the second phrase, you have So it's the same two little bits of the first phrase. And then for the next part, we're going to go. So lots of hammer-ons here. You're going to hammer on third string, second fret, arrive on the second string open, add that thumb in there, then arrive on your first string, second fret, and hang there for a second. Then you're going to re-pick it and pull off that second fret. Pick the second string open, hammer down your finger on third string, second fret for an alternate string hammer-on. Re-pick the third string open, and then alternate string hammer-on, fourth string, fourth fret. Just slap your ring finger right down, and then re-pick the fourth string open. Now I know that's a lot, so let's just go through that slowly. Listen again one time. Re-pick, pull off. Again. Okay, so yeah, just coming down, it's open second string, third string, second fret, third string open, fourth string, fourth fret, fourth string open. And that's the whole A section. So let's just try playing through that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chromatic. Down to the G chord. Here we go. Okay, all right. So you go back and repeat that a few times, or let's go on to the B section. So the way I do the B section is I start out on my third string open, hammer down, and I go to that second string open and then follow with the thumb. Then we're going to do a little slide or hammer on 1 to 2 on the first string. You can hammer that on if you want. I like the slide. Now, if you probably listen back to the playthrough, I'm actually brushing on that slide, so I'm going. Just a soft brush on that. Nice. And then the second one is you're gonna hold on that second fret. And that third one's the same as the first. Yeah, nice. Let's just play those three. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Okay, and here's a little release from that. You're gonna pull off first string, second fret. Hammer on second string, fourth fret. Pull off second fret. And then pull off third string, second fret. So you're going pull off, hammer on, pull off, pull off. Hammer on second string, fourth fret. Second string, second fret. Third string, second fret, pull off. That's the ending of that first little bit. So let's do that whole first bit. 2, 3, 4. Hang here. Pull off. Nice. So then you're just going to repeat that first section again. So you're going to go. Now hang here. And then what I do right here is I go 5th fret, brush, 2nd fret, brush. So just. And then I go down the pentatonic scale, 2nd string, alternate string, hammer on 3rd string, 2nd fret, re-pick the 3rd string open, hammer down 4th string, 4th fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th string open down to your C. So you're going slightly different than the A part, just a little bit. So you have second bit. Fifth fret. Let's just do that fifth fret. Alright, so that is the whole tune. Let's go through and play the whole thing, and you can skip ahead and do that, or if you want to just see, instead of playing it up the octave, you can also get that melody down the octave on the fourth and third string. Some people prefer to play it there. So if I were going to do that, I would play my fourth string open, hammer down on the fourth fret, and then pick my third string second fret. Oh, third string open first. Third string open, second fret, third string, and then back to open. So just kind of going open, second fret, open there. So you're going, and then hold it. Now, then your chromatic would be on the fourth string, 4, 3, 2, same G chord. So, and then if you kept doing that, it would be, and then it's the same ending bit as the up the neck part. So you just hang here, third string, second fret, hammer on. All right, let's do a play through from the top. 2 A's, 2 B's. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. G chord. Same thing. Or take it down the octave. B part. Fifth fret. Again. All right, awesome, you did it. And obviously, you know, if you didn't get the whole thing, you just got to practice those little pieces, practice a snippet, even if you're just going, you know, and just practicing a piece of it over and over again. Or that's not the easiest thing in the world to do. So just practice little sections and then put it all together. I do recommend practicing with a metronome. I think it really helps. Or just take it casual and just play it at your own speed. So, yeah, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.